3,000 YouTube subscribers, 81 leads, and spending just $5 a day with YouTube ads. I'm going to break down how we use YouTube ads the right way to get not only more subscribers, but leads into our business every day, every week, and every month. In fact, we average about 150 leads a month from YouTube. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here. I'm going to share my screen and break down exactly how we do this so you can learn how to do it yourself. And if you want to save time and hurry up and get through this to learn, hit that speed up button and you can play this at 1.5. So I talk real fast. All right, let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So here's a previous YouTube campaign that we've been running, and you can see that I have it set at just $5 a day. And if we scroll over here, you're going to see that my average cost per view is 1/8 of a penny. My cost per million impressions is 4.83, and I got 328,000 impressions so far. Now, the ultimate thing we want to look for here is that I've had 1,205 clicks to my site and 81 conversions. That means it's 81 leads. And if you want this exact system that I'm going to break down with you today, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over so you can get started on your own. So the first thing you need to do is have an Google Ads account. Once you set up that Google Ads account, as you're setting it up, it's going to prompt you to connect your YouTube channel. You're going to need some really strategic YouTube videos on there to set up those ads. I've got some other videos I'll show you at the end of this to teach you how to set up organic YouTube videos that you can also use as ads to get more subscribers. Once you're all logged into Google Ads, make sure to come over here, hit plus, create campaign, and create new campaign. Now from here, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down and you're going to say create a campaign without guidance, and you're going to choose video. Now it's going to show on YouTube, display network, and even Gmail if you set it up this way. Once you click on video, it's going to give you a list of all these different options. Now we set up these ads in 3 ways for our clients. And what we do is we're called fractional CMOs, where we take over the full marketing for businesses and actually put our team of experts in place. So my YouTube ad expert, he would come in here and he would set up 3 different ads for a business. But for today's video, what I want you to choose is this one right here. This is where we bring in a brand new audience that's never heard of you before to start learning, start building trust, and showing your videos for the exact search terms that they look for. My experts, they come back in, then they'll set up a campaign under video reach, conversions, and video views to really optimize an account. But always start with this one, because what you need to do is start driving subscribers and engagements. Now you're going to go ahead and name it whatever you want in the campaign name, and you're going to want to make sure you choose YouTube engagements here, because remember, we don't want to drive a sale. We don't want to try to drive a lead yet. We want to get somebody to find out about you, learn about you, subscribe to your channel, and start learning, building a relationship from your videos. We can sell them later on once we build that relationship. Next, go ahead and set your daily budget to just $5 a day. It's going to give you this warning. Obviously, they want you to spend more, but if I just spend $5 a day, you can see that I'm still be able to get between 17 and 88 conversions. Myself, I'm generating about 81 conversions a month from YouTube ads. From there, I like to shut off TV screens because I know if somebody's watching my video on the TV, it's not easy for them to subscribe to my channel. So I like to just keep it to make it easy for somebody to subscribe and leave a comment. From there, I like to just show my video all days, anytime. And then from here, you can keep all of this exactly how I'm showing in the screen. Next, you're going to go to your actual ad group, and this is you're going to build out your ideal audience. Who's your ICP, ideal customer profile? For me, it's anyone in the United States. All my videos are in English, so I have to choose English. I don't want to confuse anyone. And then from there, what I like to do is show it in my YouTube feed, Discover, Gmail, and Display. Those are the options. Now, if I want to get really specific and I want to get the best views, the best subscribers, and the best leads for the lowest cost, I'm going to shut all of these off and I'm going to focus on YouTube in feed. And in just a minute, you'll see exactly what that looks like. I don't like the YouTube in stream. That's the video that's really annoying before you can watch someone else's video. Most of us can't wait to hit the skip button. So what I like to recommend is I never got a lead that way. You probably never bought something that way. So let's just shut it off and give your customers a good experience. Additionally, YouTube Shorts, just like I mentioned, my YouTube ad expert would set up multiple campaigns, one with horizontal, one with vertical that would go in the YouTube Shorts. You don't need that yet. That's later on the road. What we want to do is just focus on your expert teachings in your normal long form videos, and that's where we're going to do the in-feed only. That's how we're going to get really targeted subscribers. Next, we need to build out our audience. In my audience right here, I set it up to anybody that's interested in YouTube or YouTube ads. So you can go ahead and set this up however you'd like, but I like to go ahead and name it. And then I like to set up a custom segment. In that custom segment, you can go ahead and go and build it out. What you want to do is type in anything your ideal customer would search into YouTube or Google. And if they search any of these search terms here, this is when it's going to recommend your videos. I encourage you to keep these search terms exactly to be what's targeting your video. So let me explain. The videos I'm going to run in my ads are going to be teaching how to set up YouTube ads. So that's why I want, if anyone searches for YouTube or YouTube growth, I want them to see those videos. So these search terms need to be specific for the video you're actually going to show in the ad. I also like to retarget any of my website visitors. So when you do sign up, make sure you connect your Google Analytics account and it'll automatically sync with your GA4 Google Analytics account so you can make sure you can retarget. From there, we know that anyone that's going to be searching for your search terms or visit your website will now start seeing your YouTube ads. From there, I like to use optimized targeting. You can keep this on for now. It helps you increase those conversions. And if you want to get really technical, hire a developer, or like I said, somebody from our team sets up the tracking templates so you know exactly where that lead came from, what they clicked on, and how they converted. Okay, now we can dive into the fun stuff. And this is what the ad's actually going to look like. And like I mentioned, I don't like those in-stream ads that show before someone else's video. I like to be a recommended ad, a recommended video when somebody is on YouTube or Google. So if we scroll all the way down here, when somebody's on their phone and they search anything about YouTube SEO or YouTube ads, my video is going to show up like this, and they're going to be able to do two things. Number one is watch. Now they can watch the video, and that's usually what gains me a subscriber. The second one is subscribe. You're going to be tempted to just try to send somebody to your website or landing page. Don't do that. Send them to your YouTube channel to subscribe to your channel so you can start growing your subscribers. From there, we can go ahead and start setting this up. So I like to choose video ad here. It's really the only option. This is where you're going to be tempted to put a landing page or website in. I encourage you to put your YouTube channel here so somebody subscribes to your channel. That's the first layer of building a relationship with a new visitor. They'll end up buying or clicking from a link in your bio or on your follow-up ads. Go ahead and grab as many videos as you want, up to 5 here. They all should be related to those search terms you set up in the ad set level. So as an example, I only want these to be about YouTube growth. And so if you only have one video for that, put one video in. If you've got 5, put 5. So my example, I've got 4 that would show up, be a great recommendation for somebody when they search for YouTube. And these are the ones I put in there. Next, you want to choose where your videos show. And what you want to do is click on each one of these and you want to shut off shorts. Shorts is the vertical ad like would show on Instagram. You don't want to use that because these are horizontal videos and these are longer videos for people to learn from. From there, you can go ahead and optimize all of those. Next, put your logo or your profile picture in here, and then make sure asset optimization is turned off, or else it's going to make all your videos and images look weird. Then you want to start building out your headlines. I like to just use ChatGPT, and I say, hey, create my short headlines, create my long headlines, and then help me create my characters. From there, you're going to see that it gave me 5 headlines to put in here, 5 long headlines, and then 5 descriptions. And what I do is I provide ChatGPT with these videos that I'm going to be running ads to, and then I ask it to help me create the headlines and descriptions from there. Then I like to make that call to action, subscribe, and then my business name is Brad Smith. All right, so I hope this video brought you value. Don't forget the comments system down below so somebody from my team can send you over this system so you can learn how to start setting up YouTube for you, your business, or your brand. And I want to really encourage you to try to get that subscriber, get somebody to learn and watch from you first. And when they're ready, they know where to click. Just like in my video, I said, I want you to comment. You can go ahead and click the link in my bio if you want to learn more. That's what you want your customers to do, is you want them to learn from you. And when they're ready, make the links easy for them to click on and to subscribe or sign up for your offer. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel so I can keep giving you helpful information 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then if you want to learn more about YouTube and this YouTube growth with YouTube SEO and ads, check out this playlist right here. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.